Why does your scanner show the P2426 engine code? What does it mean? P2426 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, cooling valve control circuit low. This engine code indicates that specifically a low voltage reading detected by the engine control module. This problem stems from issues with the EGR cooling valve's control circuit, wiring, or potentially the EGR cooler itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR cooling valve, wiring and harness damage, bad electrical connections, failed solenoid valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Skoda, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.